Hello loves, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the Balenciaga Triple S trainers. So if you're new here, I'm Jayebird and a self-confessed fashion addict. If you fancy joining me on my journey through my designer goods wish list, or you just want honest reviews and reflections, hit the subscribe button below. So this is the box. So it's the cream variation with white Balenciaga trainers. But the only issue is I ordered this from Farfetch. I would show you the box it came in, but it's huge. It is absolutely huge and I cannot fit it under the camera. So this Balenciaga box was brand new. It came yesterday and it looks like I've had it ages. I swear I haven't. It came like this. One thing to point about the box, these are very rubbish boxes. As you may have seen in the past videos, I love packaging. I like to keep it and make sure I can like store it in them if I want to, or just on show, because I like to put them on top of my wardrobe, the bags and the boxes, and I just think they look quite sweet. But this one, I don't know if I'll even keep it with this. It does make you wonder whether it's actually been used before, like if it's been sent back, if it's a return. But anyway, here's the box. As you can see, it's very cheap. Do you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of I've gone to JD Sports and I've got a pair of trainers and then they've given me this crappy box, which usually you don't keep the boxes anyway for those kind of trainers. For the price you're paying, I did actually expect a lot better quality. It's so bad. Stop moaning about the box, not the reason you bought them. But anyway, that's one thing, an observation. So I have opened this before because I got very excited. I just kind of tried to repackage it as much as I could. Bit of ASMR there. There we go. So you get the dust bag. You also get a spare pair of laces. When I've looked on unboxings, as I've said before, when I purchase something, I like to look at unboxings, see what you get, how it's actually packaged. It's just something that I enjoy as part of the buy and purchase process. But these laces, I did actually expect them to come in the opposite colour that you get with the shoe. I thought these would be black, so you get opposite colours, and I have seen that before, but these ones obviously came in white. I don't know if that's just Farfetch, or maybe I just had it in my head that was going to come in black. I don't know. Anyway, get all the stuffing out. So there we go. Lovely. Everyone likes a bit of silica gel. Right. So these are the trainers. I'm gonna get them out of shop because I will spill my tea everywhere. So these are the trainers. I'm so excited about them. They're beautiful. So I bought the size 39, as you can see. They clearly print your shoe size for all to see. So if you don't like that, not the best trainer for you. So I'm 21. And strange, but when I was younger, I used to have size 7/8 feet when I was a teenager, and then they shrunk to a size 5. Nobody believes me, but ask my mum who bought all my shoes. I promise you. I had Heelys in that, so there's a confession. I am now a size 5, but recently my feet have grown. So I bought a size 6 and I wasn't sure whether to go for the 5 or not. People have been saying maybe go down a size if you're, you know, kind of an in-between size. So I actually did the opposite because I was a bit scared about the 5. I bought a 6, which is quite lucky that they fit. So these fit absolutely perfectly. I would 100% recommend. So I think I'm a size 6 now. I love how I have to say think. How do I not know my own size? I should probably get them measured like a child. But yes, so I bought the size 6 and they fit amazingly. They don't feel too tight in certain areas. My toe doesn't feel too close to the edge, just perfect. One thing I would say about this This shoe is so heavy. Like, this shoe's, it's huge, and they'll, like, I don't know if you can hear how loud it is. When I first got my McQueens, I was like, wow, these shoes are heavy, but these feel like bricks. I am not even joking. Very brick-like. But anyway, because I have not the slimmest legs, these feel perfect on my feet because size 6 isn't that big of a foot. I quite like a shoe that's oversized. So this one definitely makes it look a lot bigger, more in proportion. So if you're like that and you have a bit bigger legs, and you just want a shoe to kind of make you feel like you're in proportion a little bit, then this one is perfect. The weight is heavy, and I have seen people say that they feel like they're walking funny in them, but my foot rocks. So in these, because they're like go up, my foot rocks and I find them really easy to walk in. I wanted to make sure I didn't go outside, so if they weren't the right size, I could get them swapped. But yes, I definitely think they're easy to walk in, and the only issue is don't get your feet too close because they get quite wide here, and you might be tripping up, maybe with not realising how wide this back is, which is probably why this shoe looks so big, because the back just really takes that out. Like, it's like a slope. There we go. Oh, they're so fresh. I don't want to wear them out. So yes, back to the shoe. So mine were from Farfetch, so they came with 2 labels, the Triple S label and Farfetch. I know that they came from Balenciaga's factory, or how they ship them, shipping center. But this is the Triple S label, and then that is also here. I don't know about anyone else, I hate this. I actually hate the Triple S logo. For me, it reminds me of shoes that were really popular when you was like 10 with, I can't think of a brand, but do you know, like really cheesy shoes, like trainers that your parents always bought you that you never really wanted, and they have like the logo all over the tongue. I just don't like it. So with the white, this is why, another reason why I bought the white, I can cover that here with the bow. I don't have to worry about that. The main features that I liked about this shoe was the number. It's all embroidered, by the way, and just how chunky this shoe is. It's a bit of a weird shape from below, I must admit, but it makes a cool imprint on snow though. I'm going to say snow and not mud and be hopeful that I don't ruin them. I know they're called Triple S because it stands for triple sole. I did stare at them for a good while thinking which sole is which. So I was kind of going 1, 2, 3. But they kind of intertwine. They're very 3D. You've kind of got bits that stick out that you can move, but I don't think they have any way of going anywhere. Like, it's a sturdy, sturdy shoe. So pretty. You've got several different materials on here. So you've kind of got like a mesh, believe like a leather. I think this is leather, but then it says on here there's all man-made and there's not actual leather. So maybe they're just saying it's because the majority is like rubber and fabric. This Balenciaga logo is embroidered. There we go. And then you've got different textures of the rubber. I really like that. It's like waffle kind of, and crisscrossy. On the front, it's basically the same. So inside you've got just Balenciaga, and it's really, really cushioned here. One thing, back to feet, I have quite high ankle bones. The bit that goes on the side, it touches. This is an issue because I feel like it may rub. So they are quite high. So if you have that issue, be careful because that may hurt. You've also got these tabs, which I don't know about you, but I absolutely love them because they're just so much easier to put the shoe on, and then you won't end up squishing the back and pushing that down, because that's an issue with a lot of trainers when you can't actually get them on. I went for this variation because I think like with trends, they go in and out and you never know how long they're going to be in. I tend to not always go with trends. I like something that I can keep wearing. So if I love something that much, I will keep wearing it, whether it's a trend or not anymore. I think they've peaked as a trend, but I also think that they're a white pair of trainers with cream, and they're kind of going to go with everything, and you can get a lot of wear out of them. I still wear my Alexander McQueens a hell of a lot, and they are the white variation with the black on the back. And I just think, you know what, I paid a lot of money for them, and they're not necessarily as high of a trend as they was, but I still wear them, I still adore them. They're an incredibly good quality shoe. So this is what I was hoping out of this one. I'm going to go over some downsides that I've just picked up on, like looking through the shoe, really inspecting it, is I can see glue. So I can see a little bit of glue. This is me being nitpicky. These shoes are very expensive. I expect a lot of quality from them. Also, I have loose threads here. Maybe it's just me, but I think at least like make sure everything is perfect. So final review, are they worth it? I love them. If you want a shoe that is for comfort, maybe not, because they are very heavy. They do kind of feel like you've got bricks on your feet, but that's kind of the vibe I'm going for. Right now, I absolutely love that. So guys, that is it for the unboxing and first thoughts of these Balenciaga Triple S trainers. Let me know if you guys would buy this product down in the comments below, because I'd love to know what you think of them, if they're worth it, if you'd have them yourself. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe below to see more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one.